Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime. My name is Linda Steinbock and I'm a volunteer with the National Library Board. When I'm not a volunteer, I'm a humanitarian aid worker and author of this book, Lockdown Hair. Today I'm going to tell you a story about this little girl. Her name is Siona. What do you see in this cover? What do you think this story is about? Let's see if you're right. Lockdown Hair by Linda Steinbock, illustrations by Alexandra Rusu. To all those willing to sacrifice their own safety in this global crisis, I dedicate this book in your honor. I hope it brings light to you and your family. And to my husband Sean, with hope in our hearts, we'll never walk alone. Siona is with her family, listening to the president address the nation. Thank you for keeping your family and community safe by social distancing and wearing face masks. This will help to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Siona, sweetie, you seem distracted, Mom says with concern. Is there something on your mind? Tears fill Siona's eyes. I miss Granny. Well, Dad says, it's sad we can't visit Granny because we're in lockdown, but that doesn't mean we can't see her. Siona thinks for a moment. Then her face breaks into a huge smile. We can call her. Siona shrieks. Granny, whatever happened to your hair? Granny laughs. I know, my dear. I'm in desperate need of a haircut. But all the salons are closed. My clients call me all the time asking me to cut their hair, but I can't because of the government health regulations, Mom explains. I thought the pandemic would all be over in just a few weeks. Now I wonder if things will ever be normal again, Granny sighs. Don't worry, Mom says lovingly. When the salon opens again, you will be my first customer. Although it won't be quite like it was before. We can only open when we have proper health and safety measures. But we'll manage. We have to. Have you seen what some people have done to their own hair? Is that a bowl on that boy's head? Oh dear, look, he shaved right down the center of his head. What sort of safety measures, Mum? Siona asks curiously. Well, we normally stand really close to our clients to cut their hair. So we'll have to wear masks and gloves to protect ourselves and our clients. But I'm sure we could do a few more things to be even safer. What about making sure you have hand sanitizer and masks available? Granny suggests. Oh yes, Mom says. I'm sure we'll have to do that, though it might be best if people bring their own masks. Those are great ideas, Siona says. I must go and think of some more. I'll talk to you later, Granny. I love you. Oh, I love you too, Pumpkin, Granny says. And I miss you like crazy. I have so many hugs and kisses saved up for you. Siona runs up to her room full of excitement. She sits at her desk and focuses her mind. Last year, she visited Mom at the salon on Bring Your Daughter to Work Day. Siona's fascinated to see all the things Mom did at work. Can she remember them all? 1. Ask client what she wants. 2. Comb hair. 3. Shampoo hair. 4. Wash hair. 5. Cut hair. And 6. Blow dry hair. Siona feels really proud of herself for remembering all the steps in Mum's job. The president said we need to keep 2 meters apart from each other. She called it social distancing. Now, how on earth can Mum do that in her salon? How can you possibly wash or cut someone's hair if they're 2 meters away from you? Of course, she cries. I've got it. And Siona gets to work. Step 1, ask client what she wants. Now, this is going to be interesting, Siona says. From the tip of her toes to the top of her head, Mum's whole body isn't 2 meters long. So her arms will be too short to wash or cut hair. Let me think. Step 2, comb hair. I can't wait for Mum to try this, Siona says. I just know it'll work. What has she got in her hands there? That's a garden rake. Step 3, shampoo hair. Oh, the best part of a haircut is a head massage, Siona says, closing her eyes and rubbing her forehead. But we can't do that during the pandemic, so the client will have to massage their own head. Oh, look! The assistant is squirting shampoo onto her hair, and Mum is moving her hands like a puppet on a string. Gosh, this is genius, Siona shouts. Isn't it amazing? When you really need to help someone and you put your mind to it, good ideas come to you. That part is done. Now what? Step 4, wash hair. No worries, that's easy enough, Siona says. Mum has a bucket right there. Yeah, she looks happy. It's going great, but now for the main event. Step 5, cut hair. Garden shears. Ooh, mind your ears, Mum. It's looking pretty good. And now we need to dry her hair. But how will we do that? What do you think we could use to dry the lady's hair? Step 6, blow dry hair. Oh, look, it's a leaf blower. Siona giggles. Oh, Mum, you're so creative. Mom, look what I made for you. It's a step-by-step guide to keep you safe when you go back to work. See all her drawings there? Siona, this is brilliant, Mum says proudly. I'll need to show this to all my friends at the hair salon. We'll definitely keep everyone safe if we do haircuts like this. Dad hugs Siona. You're going to be an inventor when you grow up. I'm an inventor now, Siona says confidently. Mom, I'm so happy you can use these ideas when the salon opens again. But maybe, just maybe, you can start with my hair first. My goodness, look at all the hair Siona was hiding under her scarf. And here's Siona's mom's client walking away. She's soaking wet, but she has a fabulous haircut. What do you think? Do you think Siona helped to keep her mom safe? I think she did a fabulous job at thinking of all sorts of creative ideas, because no one is too small to make a difference. And that's the end of my story. Did you enjoy that? I loved reading it to you. You know, I wrote this story to make you laugh. But I also know that this time has been a difficult one for many of us. We've had all sorts of different types of emotions, and that is all okay. Did your part to keep your families and communities healthy and safe, and that's the most important thing. At the back of the book, you'll find some fun questions, and you'll also find that there's a little game inside the book. You can download some fun activities from my website, www.lindasteinbock.com. And there's a teacher's guide, which you could do with your friends in school and your teacher. There's so many, lots of fun activities in there for you to do. Thank you for listening, and I really hope you enjoyed it.